In this video we're looking at the desktop USB controller from Kam. The model number is KHD410. Let's take a look at the face of the unit. Relatively self-explanatory here, but we have a master tempo button. We also have +8, -8, +16, -16 where the pitch control is concerned, and also here we have pitch on and off. Before we play the music, let's have a look at some of the main features that a modern day DJ will demand in a player like this. We have pitch bend, minus and plus. To the left of the pitch control we have a button here with search on top of it. By engaging that, it will let the DJ search through the track by using the jog wheel. Above that one we have another button with scratch above it. By pressing that, it will enable the DJ to use the jog wheel exactly the same as a vinyl turntablist would use the platter on a vinyl turntable. By pressing the button above that, that will enable the DJ to play the music in reverse mode. We have cue points 1, 2 and 3, and also to the left of the unit, just below the USB port, we have a loop function. And we're going to have a closer look at the master tempo function, which is just to the bottom right hand corner of the unit. At the moment now, with the light off here on 8 and 16%, that tells me that the pitch now is at 8%. If I press that and we have the light on, that will now tell me that the pitch is running at plus and minus 16%. At the moment what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the master tempo off. I'm going to keep the pitch at plus and minus 16. With this light on here, it tells me that the pitch control is now engaged. Play the music and let's have a listen. What we can hear is the tone of the track is dropping as well as the speed. And when we move the pitch in the opposite direction to the plus position, we can hear the speed of the tone, the actual tone of the track is increasing as well as the speed. Back to the center, press pause. I'm now going to engage master tempo. Down here, bottom right. Press that. Play the track again and do exactly the same with the pitch. What's happening now is the track is slowing down, but the tone of the track is staying exactly the same. And this is what a modern DJ demands. Pitch back into the center. I'm now going to increase the speed. The speed of the track has now gone a lot faster, but the tone, the key is exactly the same. Put it back to the center position. Exactly the same applies if I press the 8 and 16%. The only difference is the pitch will now increase by 8%, decrease by 8%. Press that again and the pitch now will increase by 16% and decrease by 16%. What I'll do now is pause the camera and we will have a look at setting the cue points. Okay, give you a basic idea. Press memo. What I'm going to do now is press Q1. I've now set one cue point. I'm going to press memo again. I'm going to press Q2 and we'll get another cue point. Press memo again, hit Q3 and we'll get a third cue point. Now I've got 3 cue points. At any time I can hit those and go right back to where the cue points were set. What I'm going to do now is show you the search feature. Press there, move the jog wheel, and I can search through the track. Press it again to disengage. Press scratch. Press it again to disengage. Press reverse. Okay, to the left of the unit, just below the USB port, we have loop functions. I'll show you that. Press the music, press play should I say. What I'm going to do now is press A for in and B for out. We have a loop. Bottom left hand corner we have a small button there with tap above it. By pressing that in time with the music it will give you the BPM of the track in the display. I'll just show you that. Okay, what I'll do first of all is press the tap button completely off beat. What I'm going to do now is press the tap button in time with the music. Another great feature on this unit are the echo, filter and flanger, more commonly known as effects. What I'm going to do now is press the echo, and by moving the jog wheel I can change the sound of the echo. Press it again and the echo has been disengaged. Press this guy here for filter. This is one of my best effects. Press it again. And above that we have flanger. We also have on the unit a remote start and a relay system, so one unit can be plugged into the other. So as soon as one track finishes on one unit, another track will start on the other unit. Also on the back of this guide we have a digital out as well.